So for now, we'll continue our last class on HTML forms. So in today's tutorial, I'll explain how to build simple form from scratch. At the end of this video, you'll be able to create forms like this and others like this. You'll be able to create everything. You'll be able to create things like this. So let's get started. So now the first thing is updating your title, your page title. We start with this. So this, we know this is on heading H2. Next thing is now the form. So don't let us forget that I said all this stuff must be inside a form tag. So let's start. First thing here is full name and an input. Enter your name, email address, enter your email address. So let's start with it. So we update the placeholder. The placeholder is the int, don't let us forget that. So this is it. So for email address, we put it here, email, input, email, placeholder, enter your email. As you can see, this is it. If you don't want it to join, we can add a line break, br tag. This is phone number, so the type will be phone. So yeah, we'll still add the line break here. We haven't add the place. So the phone number, let us put a placeholder there. So it has displayed. Date of birth, gender, so let's do that at once. And I did not explain this in the forms class. So to make something required like compulsory in a form, you see whereby there are some parts that are compulsory that you must fill. So to make something compulsory, you add required. Once you put required, if you want to submit, you must click on it. It will write required. I'll show you later. So this shows the list, as you can see. So if you noticed, these are clicking, which in a normal and professional form you must not be allowed to click two options or two or more options at a time. So you must pick either a male or female. So now we'll have to edit it and give it a name. So the name will make them the same. So name equals to, let's put gender as the name, gender, so let's try it out now. Can you see? So the next is address details. This should be an heading, either H1 or H2 or H3. So this will be the label as usual, and this entire address would be the text area. Don't let's forget that. So yeah, we are going to add a text area to it, which will be text area. So let the placeholder be enter your address. So let's check it out sharp. So to make this be above it, let's add a line break. You can see. Now the next is this selection, state selection. So I did not explain sections and options earlier. I would explain it right now. So let's add a label. State. So let us make it compulsory. Like it must be choosing. Required. So to select those options, we use the select tag. Select. So in the select tag, in between it, your options will go here. So now let's add different options there. So as you can see, this select state is selected already. So to make it selected, we are going to add the list of this option and make this select state selected. So whenever you choose it, take there instead of option, I wrote options. So let me change it. So as you can see, the select state is selected already. So let us use others. Lagos. Let's check all this. Select state. So to display a list of states you want. So let's go to the account information. We use username, password, confirm password. This education details, you are going to use select also. So let's try it out. Here we come again, we are going to use select. So let's make it required. Then we add the options in between. So here we have to make select one or select grade to be selected. Selected as usual. So this is selected already automatically. Next here is choosing a file, uploading ID card. And the next is preference and some checkboxes. And now we are going to add the input. Everything will be checkboxes. So now let us make it checkboxes. Checkbox. 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 And let's add the interests there. So this is it here. Let's go to the agree and now it remains the submit. So for the button or submit button, we can use two types. Is either we use input type submit. Once you put it there, submit the form, or we use button type equals to submit. Oh, let us put the tag in. Submit the data. So I'm clicking this one, it makes you submit. So let us try what we created out here. So this is the form we created. So let's input our name. So I want to put a wrong email there to cross check if the text box is really for email. So gender, mail, address. So state, select state, username, Gentoo, Gentoo coder, the password. So education details. So you can choose file if you want to choose file. Then you select your area. So agree, submit. Submit. So let's check it. So once we click on this submit, so we'll be stopping here for today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to create more projects like this one, please like this video, drop a comment, your best favorite form tag, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share so you don't miss the next lesson. So in our next lesson we'll talk about tables. Tables is another important structure every beginner needs to understand. So I'm going to put that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.